Hello student, Assalamu alaikum. This is Laiba Tariq, your biology instructor from tutoria.pk. Today we are doing the exercise of your last chapter, that is the man and his environment. Let's start with the fill in the blanks. So the first fill in the blanks is the most widely used source of energy on earth is, the right option है sun. Second question है when energy change from one form to another form some dash is done. तो इसका right option है work is done. Third है air, water and soil are resources which come in the category of dash resources. तो इसका है renewable. Fourth है there are 7 classes of food: water, carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, fibers and dash. तो right option है mineral. Fifth है to save energy actually refer to the dash of energy. तो इसका right answer है conservation. तो इसके साथ ही हमारी fill in the blanks complete हो गई. In the next video we will discuss the MCQs.